Hi, I'm Jade. Today we're going to use a variety of Panduit cable management products to help organise your network. As you can see, this is a typical networking cabinet. It's complete with a Panduit panel and also a switch. At the moment, the cabinet is filled with no cable management, just all these patch leads in different lengths, different colours and different manufacturers. As well as looking unsightly, this can make moves and changes a complete headache. It reduces the airflow into the cabinet and creates potential hotspots, and faults increase with damaged or mechanically stressed patch leads. Let's start by removing the patch leads. The reason for this is to replace them with quality components of the correct category rating to ensure optimum data transmission. Now we're going to look at the cable management. As you can see, we've fitted a vertical cable manager down the side of the cabinet. Most cabinets do have the space to facilitate these. There's a wide selection of cable management to choose from simple D-rings to full height management. I'm now going to screw the cable management into the cabinet using the cage nuts that are already secured in the right place. Now I'm going to install the blanking shade. This shade can blank up to 51U. Panduit's Install-It App means that I can scan any of the product's barcodes and access the installation instructions or datasheet on site. Now we're going to use the Panduit toolless blanking panels to blank out the space between our panel and the switch. They're available in 2U and 1U and also in white. Today we're going to use the black. Now the cabinet is completely blanked out, we're going to install our patch leads. We're going to use Panduit's small diameter patch leads to minimise interference with airflow within the cabinet, to comply with our manufacturer's warranty and also to maximise the capacity of our Panduit cable managers. We're going to be using Panduit's thermal printer to label our patch leads. We're doing this to help with traceability and future requirements for change. We're now going to slide the patch cables down in between the fingers in the cable management and along into the vertical cable management at the side of the cabinet. So now we're going to feed the cables back through the vertical management into the 2U finger manager and up into the switch. Now we're going to fit the covers on top of the 1 and the 2U cable manager. And now the 1U. Now we're going to cover the vertical cable management. And finally, we're going to pull down the blanking shade to cover the cabinet, and then we're done. And there we go, a beautifully managed IT network complete with Panduit cable management accessories.